Welcome to Easy English Stories. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Easy English Stories. This channel is here to help you learn English with simple and fun stories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our stories. Today, we will talk about weather. It's an important topic because people talk about the weather every day. You can use the settings to slow down the video if you need to. Let's begin. Vocabulary you will learn: sunny, adjective, bright with sunshine; rainy, adjective, with a lot of rain; cloudy, adjective, with many clouds in the sky; windy, adjective, with a lot of wind; snow, noun, frozen water that falls from the sky as soft white flakes; storm, noun, very bad weather with rain, thunder, and lightning; umbrella, noun, an object you hold to stay dry in the rain; hot, adjective, having a high temperature; cold, adjective, having a low temperature; wet, adjective, covered with water. The story: weather is a big part of our daily lives. Sunny days are the best for many people. The sky is blue and the sun is shining. On sunny days, you can go outside and enjoy activities like walking, playing, or having a picnic. Many people love to take photos of sunny skies or visit the beach. Sunny days make people feel happy and full of energy. Do you like sunny days? Rainy days are very different. The sky is gray and it rains a lot. Some people like the rain because it feels relaxing. They stay inside, drink tea, or read a book. The sound of rain can help some people sleep. Other people don't like rainy days because they can't go outside. You need an umbrella if you want to walk in the rain. Some children like to jump in puddles when it rains. Do you have an umbrella? Cloudy days are when the sky is full of clouds. Sometimes it looks like it might rain, but it doesn't. Cloudy days can feel calm, but also a little sad because there is no sunshine. People usually stay indoors or do quiet activities on cloudy days. Some people like cloudy days because it feels cooler than sunny days. In some cities like London, cloudy days are very common. Do you feel happy or sad on cloudy days? Windy days can be fun or annoying. The wind blows leaves and moves your hair. On a windy day, you might feel cold if the wind is strong. Windy days are good for flying kites. Some cities, like Chicago, are famous for being windy. The wind can also be helpful because it cools people down on hot days. However, strong wind can sometimes make it hard to walk or ride a bike. Do you like windy days? Snowy days are special. When it snows, the ground becomes white. People like to play in the snow. You can build a snowman or have a snowball fight. Some people go skiing or snowboarding. But snowy weather can make travel hard. Roads can be slippery, and it feels very cold outside. You need to wear warm clothes like gloves, hats, and coats. In very snowy places, people use snow plows to clear the streets. Do you like to see the snow? Stormy weather can be scary. It often includes rain, thunder, and lightning. During a storm, it is best to stay indoors. Sometimes strong storms can cause damage to trees and buildings. In the United States, some places have hurricanes or tornadoes. These storms are very dangerous. Thunderstorms are more common and less dangerous, but they can still be loud and frightening. Some people like to watch the lightning from their windows. Have you ever seen a big storm? Questions. What do people like to do on sunny days? What do you need to carry on a rainy day? What can you do in the snow? Practice. Write 3 sentences about your favorite type of weather. For example, I like sunny days because I can go to the park. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of weather you like. See you in the next story.